If your Snapchat is not showing chats, it could be due to a few different reasons, such as a glitch and issues with the internet connection or a problem with the app itself. Firstly, check your internet connection. Snapchat needs a stable internet connection to load chats. If your internet connection is unstable, chats might not load properly. After that, go to the App Store and search for the Snapchat app in the App Store. If there is an update available right next to the Snapchat app, then tap on the update and download the latest version of Snapchat. Because outdated versions of Snapchat can cause bugs. If you are using Android, then go to the Google Play stores, and if there is a newer version available, install it and see if that resolves the issues. After you do so, go back to the Snapchat. Then inside Snapchat, tap on the avatar icon available in the top left corner. Then tap on the settings icon and go to the settings of Snapchat. There, look for the bugs and suggestions option available in the Snapchat. After you find one, simply tap on it. Then tap on the friends option available there since there is no chats option. Now write down in the descriptive box that your Snapchat chat are not showing, and you can also upload the screenshot in the photos option available there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.